everyone, are you all preparing for your first Java full stack developer interview? Don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will go through some of the most commonly asked questions and tips to answer them confidently. Question 1. What are the main features of Java? This is one of the most common opening questions. Answer by explaining Java's key features like platform independence, object-oriented nature, robustness, and high performance. Some tips: follow WORA formula, that is write once and run anywhere. Second, highlight features like garbage collection and security. Question 2. Explain the 4 principles of object-oriented programming. Here comes another popular question. Discuss encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Provide simple examples to explain each concept. What is the difference between let, var, and const in JavaScript? Since Java full stack involves front-end technologies, be prepared for JavaScript questions. Discuss variable scope and immutability with examples. What is Spring Boot and why is it used? Spring Boot is critical for backend development. Explain how it simplifies application development by providing pre-configured templates and embedded servers like Tomcat. What is the difference between SQL and NoSQL databases? Highlight differences such as data structure, scalability, and use cases. Mention examples like MySQL for SQL and MongoDB for NoSQL. What is Git and why is it important for developers? Explain Git's role in version control, collaboration, and maintaining code history. Mention commands like git init, git commit, and git push. Write a program to find the largest element in an array. You may encounter coding challenges. Practice simple algorithms and be ready to explain your approach during the interviews. How do you handle tight deadlines in a project? Be always prepared for behavioral questions. Focus on problem solving, teamwork, and your ability to manage time effectively. How do you optimize a web application for better performance? This is an important question for full stack developers. Highlight techniques like minifying CSS, JavaScript, and HTML, using browser caching to store reusable assets, lazy loading images and content to improve initial load time, optimizing database queries and reducing server response time. What is REST and why is it used in web development? REST stands for Representational State Transfer. It's an architectural style for designing networked applications. Mention its key principles. First, statelessness. Each request from the client to the server must contain all the information needed to process the request. Second, uniform interface. Resources are identified by URIs and interactions are based on standard HTTP methods like GET-GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. Explain the REST APIs are used to build scalable and maintainable web services, making it easier for the front end and back end to communicate. And that's it. These are some of the key questions you can expect in a Java full stack interview. Keep practicing, stay confident, and you'll do great. For more tips and training, subscribe to our channel and visit hatchin.co. Good luck with your interview. Don't forget to like, share, and comment with your experience. For more detailed guidelines, check out our Java full stack course at Hatchin. Link is in the description